Transform by Caesarstone. Fabrication Guide. Transform by Caesarstone is the first 13mm overlay product from Caesarstone. We start the process by measuring and templating. Measure the size of the existing countertop. Using ProLiner or a similar CAD technology, the minimum width of the edge band contour is measured from the current countertop installation thickness. The maximum depends on customer demand. Next, we begin the fabrication process. Cut all edge bands straight with the correct width end to end. Template without adhesive first to ensure fit. Edge contour is prepared at a 90-degree angle. For radius corners, use 2cm laminate edge and subtop standards. Once glued, clamp the edges approximately 3 to 4 inches apart to ensure proper adhesion. Scrape off any excess adhesive as it dries. Next, we begin working on the edge details. Process the edge using a water-fed system. Profile should curve or slant into the seam to minimize visibility. Once fabrication is complete, we move to installation. Dry fit the new countertop and verify contour edges aligned with the main body before applying countertop adhesive. Adhere the new countertop to the main body. Please consult with a plumbing professional, as sinks will have to be removed or replaced during installation. Apply adhesive to all seams and clamp the seams to avoid movement and ensure maximum adhesion. The use of shims may be required to even the existing surface. Storage and handling. 13mm slabs can only be handled by clamps with a grip of 0.5 or lower, and should be stored along with at least one 2cm or 3cm slab for every 10 13mm slabs.